Alright, this is going to be a quick one. Alright, hey everyone, thanks for tuning in. This is actually the first video of a series that I've planned for the channel, which is called Camera Quickies, where I record short tips and tricks videos. If you're into that, consider subscribing with notifications turned on. And yeah, this time we are going to listen to the Sony ZV-E or ZV-E, depending where you are from, shutter sound. So let's have a listen. Alright, so this is the ZV-E10 in single shot mode. Here we have burst fire mode set to low. Now the camera is set to burst fire set to medium. This is burst fire mode again set to high. And right here we have high plus. Alright, and that is pretty much it for this video. Also, if you have any suggestions or ideas what I should cover in this video series, please let me know down below in the comments. By the way, if you want to see an unboxing video of the new Sony ZV-E10, I will have a link up here or up here. If you would like to see more videos like this, consider subscribing. Thank you so much for watching, and I see you in the next video.